In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see all databases Notion. To get started, go to the Notion page where you manage databases. This is the main area where you can create database-related pages and connect to data sources. So it is a good place to begin when you want visibility into what databases exist in your workspace. Once the page loads, click into the highlighted area on the page. This is simply the text field where you can enter a search term or a title. Type directly into that same area. As you type, focus on using a clear keyword that will help you surface database options more quickly. Keeping your wording simple will usually make the results easier to scan. Next, find and click the option for a new team space. This helps you organize work, and it also affects what databases you can access, because databases are often stored inside a specific team space. After you click into the team space area, click the highlighted field again to make sure your cursor is active and ready. Now click the Add icon. In Notion, the Add button is used to insert something new into the page, like a database view or a connected data source. After clicking Add, you will see several options. Click into the highlighted selection area, then click the next highlighted area as it appears, moving through the prompts. These clicks are guiding you through Notion's menu, so you end up in the correct tool for viewing databases. Continue by clicking the next highlighted area, then click again where it is highlighted, and type into the highlighted field when you see it. Here you are narrowing down what you want to show, so type the database name or a relevant keyword that matches the database you are looking for. After that, click Linked View of Data Source. This is the key feature that lets you display an existing database in a new place without duplicating it. It is especially useful when you want one page that helps you browse or reference databases across your workspace. From the list that appears, click Financial Plan. This selects that database as the source for your linked view. Finally, click the highlighted area one more time to confirm the selection and finish placing the linked database view on the page. And that is all there is to it.